Forecast.
U.S. Drought Monitor updates on Thursday. No big surprises except the fact that we have an expanded area now of extreme drought. First of all, the entire Commonwealth's under drought status. 50% of the Commonwealth under extreme drought. Obviously not good news. We carry over deficits from last year plus this year, and I'll show you some of the numbers as we just take a look before this rain event gets going. Now, some locations in and around the Earlysville have seen more than what the airport has observed, but over 0.6 of an inch so far this month. Average would be nearly 3 inches, so a deficit of over 2. Now, as we take a look at the calendar year thus far, we've seen just over 8 inches of precipitation. Going to round up, about 15 would be average, so a deficit that's closing in on nearly 7 inches. So basically 10 to 14 inch deficits blanket much of the region, carrying over from last year and so far this year. Going ahead now, we could see a 1 to 3+ inches potentially taking us now through Monday evening. So we shall see how this plays out. Certainly good to see the radar lit up with more widespread rain across the region. And most of this is light to moderate rain, some heavier downpours, especially down towards Scottsville, out towards Schuyler, Lovingston, Dillwyn, where you see some of these yellows, just some heavier downpours. Earlier, there were some thunderstorms across southwest Virginia. Throughout the course of the morning, the front was pushing south, so it was much warmer earlier this morning. Matter of fact, our high was 72, and now we're kind of languishing in the 50s. It's 58 right now at the airport. You can see a little warmer to our south, but look at that 24-hour temperature change. Yeah, 34 degrees cooler. We were in the low 90s this time yesterday. Winds are out of the northeast, and that's going to be a prevailing wind that'll keep us cool and cloudy. Moisture is now overrunning that front, and we're going to deal with additional, more widespread rain tonight and at times for your Friday. And temperatures are basically going to hang out in the upper 50s to around 60 or so. And so this is a setup that will bring some beneficial rain. We're not going to get out of the drought from it, but just to get good moisture in the ground, that's a good thing. There we are Saturday morning, upper 40s, low 50s. Rain continuing. We may not see breaks in the cloud cover until possibly Sunday. So it's certainly an unsettled stretch. Again, temperatures are going to be on the cool side. Sunday, if we see some sun, we should climb into the 70s. And specifically for Memorial Day on Monday, a grateful nation honors its war fallen. Temperatures in the low and mid 70s. Any sunshine could promote a few storms as well. So this front is to our south. High pressure's well to the north, and the combination of that stalled front, moisture overrunning it, is set up for a wet and cool stretch here over the next several days. Look at this, 58 right now at the airport. It's 86 in Charlotte, and that front continues to slide farther south and east. So for tonight, additional rain. It will be cool, a little breezy. Temperatures in the low 50s. Not a whole lot of movement with the temperatures here for tomorrow. Again, upper 50s to around 60. But each day going forward will feature better chances for rain, especially tomorrow and Saturday, and then it'll drop off a little bit more as we head into Memorial Day Monday and next week with temperatures starting to warm back up.
All right, Eric, thank you.